Alright, another trip to Disney Springs. We're going to look to get reservations to eat and look into the possibility of riding the hot air balloon. So there's the balloon over there. It looks like it is docked at the moment. And looking at reservations for maybe the Rainforest Cafe and see what happens. So here's a map of the place. And there's Planet Hollywood, which is right there. So I'm right in front of the place. And we're heading to Rainforest Cafe, which is all the way in the back. So you pick these up right when you get in. I'll show you all around. All different numbers that correspond to numbers over here. And then of course they give you some of the names of some of the big things, like I'll say Rainforest Cafe or like Planet Hollywood and all that stuff. And there's the balloon. And it's Lake Buena Vista. This is a body of water right here. So down further from Planet Hollywood, we have the little indoor portion here, semi-indoor. A lot of shops that really aren't Disney related, I guess, but I guess they just rent the space out here, like Fit to Run and Johnson and Murphy's. I don't even know what these stores are. Nice water fountain, like Vera Bradley. I never heard of any of these places. Okay, so this one here, everything but water is like a swimsuit store. Okay, so this is Spurry's, I guess, a shoe store. I have no idea. I pretty much just shop at Kmart, so I don't know any of these places. And we are out of that area, making our way towards the Rainforest Cafe to try to get a reservation and just see if we can just sit down. Now here's something I know, the Polite Pig. This place is awesome. Great ribs, great like homemade macaroni, really good. Yeah, really nice place if you ever want to stop and eat somewhere. It's one of the recommended places, the Polite Pig, right by the World of Disney. Alright, inside the Star Wars trading post. They got like little Coca-Cola things. Oh, they're full too. Whoops, we just launched them. That's cool. That says Diet Coke and Star Wars E's. They got X-Wings there. Poe Dameron's X-Wings specifically. I don't know how much like an X-Wing is. I almost already dropped the Coke thing, which was like $6. Something like that's $20. Okay. They got like pins. Oh, it's that Black Spire thing again that I saw down at Hollywood Studios.
No, you are do not. There is no trap.
Could have said it better myself. I got thermoses, badge set for the Resistance. This is all the different badges you get. Oh yeah, Lieutenant and all that. General. Huh. $25 you can collect all the badges. Got different Star Wars shirts. How much is something like that going for? 50 on this. Oh, Mandalorian stuff. Grogu. All kinds of stuff. Mandalorian costume. There we go. Huh. Naps and snacks. Wanted. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a puzzle. Wow. Characters in here. Oh yeah, the original trilogy characters, Obi-Wan and Luke, and basically episode 4. Yeah, it says A New Hope. Something like that is barcode. Don't know. It says barcode. Nothing written on the shelf that I can see. Nice Star Wars long sleeve shirt. Oh my god, you would die in this today. It was like way too hot. $35. Yeah, long sleeve black shirt, no way. Stormtrooper costumes. Kind of crazy. Oh yeah, walkers. I guess that's a puzzle too. Model with light inside. Oh no, it's some sort of model you build. Okay. Yeah, you can do that with other ships as well. Very interesting. Oh, there's that Emperor thing I saw at Hollywood Studios. Emperor Palpatine. 130 bucks to get the head of Palpatine and the whole body of Snoke. That might detach in the middle, I don't know. Oh, there's the lightsabers. They are, I don't know. This is what they call the Rey lightsaber, which really is the Anakin lightsaber, more or less. I know these. Oh, these are 200. Try me. Okay. All right, I'll try you. Not sure. Well, I have tried and failed. I thought there was no try in Star Wars anyway. So that's basically the trading post. Alright. Now we're at the World of Disney. They got a lot of 50th anniversary stuff. They got the banners up there. And they got, looks like 50th anniversary themed clothes and cups. What is this? Limited, oh, 2 per person, per guest or whatever. I see, yeah, there's limited stuff, so you can only buy like 2 things. I say 50th anniversary, so they give everybody a chance to buy. So that's crazy, that's how in demand it is. Limit 2 per person. First order is 2 Stormtrooper helmets. So now we're in the World of Disney. The Black Series, I don't know what that means. Ages 14 and up. Has batteries, okay. So let's, maybe the voice or something, I don't know. 120. Okay, alright, careful not to drop that. I got action figures from now the newer movies, yeah. Old Lando and Poe, and so this is more like episode 9. Yep. Stumped. Don't know. Ages 3 and up. I got stuffed animals porgs like a big Yoda. There's what I saw in the other store. Darth Vader costume. There we go. Let's see what else I got. Shoes. Oh, those are like the Mickey shoes, but they're like the holes in them, like the Crocs that everybody's wearing nowadays. Tomb Raider, or Tomb Raider. Tomb Raiders of the Lost Ark. Yeah, Tomb Raider. I got other shirts around here, like a ton of shirts. I don't know, but they're no price listed for those though. Okay, Halloween stuff. So she's my foolish mortal, he's my foolish mortal. Haunted Mansion stuff. Okay, I can see some Halloween stuff. Oh, the Haunted Mansion guys up on the wall. When the picture, you see like this much of them, and then the thing stretches out, and you get like that much of them on the ride while you're waiting. Of course, that part of the queue had been closed for a while since they had COVID. They didn't want to cram everybody and make them stop in one spot. That's all Halloween stuff here. Jack Skellington and little hoodie and shorts and I guess ashtrays. Very interesting. Gloves. I guess mittens. Let's see what else I got. I'm gonna go around this way. I'm getting a little crowded. Sliver on my way through here. Oh, look at that. There's some bikini corn over there. So I got the dresses. They usually always sell those no matter what. So here's like a whole Halloween section. You see the big pumpkin with the huge candy corn sticking out of it, and there you go. Wow. All kinds of stuff from pumpkins to shirts. Looks like most of the kid shirts here. Trick or treat mugs, like ceramic, 25 bucks. We got like pillows. Yeah, I'm not sure about those. Crocs and flannel shirts. That's a pretty cool flannel shirt. And all the long sleeve shirts and other ceramic. Oh, these are candles. Oh, okay. Wow, ooh, they're heavy. 20 bucks. Neat. So the whole Halloween section. Some more 50th anniversary stuff. So they got like long sleeve shirts. What are these? These are, don't know. But there they are. That's what they look like. This place is packed. This is like a Thursday afternoon too. It's not like this is a weekend or anything. A Thursday afternoon in October. Place is hopping. Yeah, it's like 10 to 5. The whole sampler set there. And we're out. Max off. Right by Ghirardelli's here. We're gonna circle by Star Wars. Into the Rainforest Cafe, and we're having a storm. Uh-oh. And there's fish tank. I got all the fish tanks.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
So they got a bunch of shirts here. This is about a Rainforest. I don't have any Rainforest stuff. 26 cups. Oh, those are 37.
Yeah,
woo.
only 30.
Keychains with different names on. So just show the gift shop around a little bit, and the fish tanks. I gotta pick out which one I'm gonna eat tonight. Yeah, I don't even like seafood. I don't know what I'm gonna have yet, but it'll be something. But this is all like, none of it's like Disney themed. This is stuff specific to the rainforest. Except I don't think unicorns are actually in the rainforest. Elephants, I'll buy that. Pink flamingos. So they got toys for the kids. Tigers. Just mainly like animals and stuff. So, little camo vest, there you go. Jungle Safari Guide. We have a little Jungle Safari Guide. Oh. Those are cool. I wish I went for one of these. Fanny packs. Oh, 25 for a fanny pack. Ain't bad. It's got like compartments. Got like 3 on the side here and like a little thing in here, a little spin one. Ain't bad. And like girl shirts back here. They're like 38. They're like nice material, like thin. Seems like breathable stuff, but. And I got sandals. They're on sale. So what are like these? Oh, 10 bucks, I guess. $10 summer trunks. So it looks like they have select teeth up there, but it looks like it's all shorts. Okay, another sale. So I guess they have things like on clearance sometimes. You can look if you want like something a little bit. Oh, wow, hot stuff with a long sleeve shirt. You would be hot stuff if you wore that today. So I was 30 marked down to 20 now. Hats, other shirts. Shot glasses with your name. Not sure. Personalized shot glasses. 6. Yeah, right. I think we're gonna head on over to the bar. You can see like animal butt chairs, zebra and lion and some sort of bird, I guess. We are about to be seated at our table, and I think we're gonna get walked back here. Could show you a little bit around the restaurant. Well, looks like not yet. All right, I'll wait a second. Alrighty.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna grab an extra menu.
All right. What's up? All right, we're in. We're beyond the rope. I think they said 4 instead of 5. We told them 4 instead of 5. So, gift shop, and we're getting there. Okay, we're going just right here. Okay, I'm not really gonna walk around just yet. All right, there we go. And we'll figure out what I'm gonna eat. We're gonna get the storm.
What's the elephant?
Storm. Walking around the rainforest in the storm. There's the night sky. That's crazy. The gorilla, he's not liking this. Staff are scared too. Alright. Oh, they got fish tanks here too. They got this guy. The weight of the world on his shoulders. Wow. Waterfalls on the outside. Looks like it might be even out. A zebra head. He wasn't so lucky. Neat. Another walkthrough without all the storm. Everything's cleared up, the storm's gone, and the sun's out. So the elephant's a little bit acting up. Pretty cool. And I'm back to my table. We are right by the fish tank. Got the blue tanks in there somewhere. There's one. That's the dory fish. Coming right out back. Oh, it turned. Alright, back to the meal. I got a strawberry daiquiri and the fancy
How'd it go, baby?
light up cup. Good. It rain. I didn't get wet in the rain.
You give a good look inside your drink.
Yeah, I tried to turn the light on.
There's a push button.
There we go. Look at that. Amazing. All right. Burger and fries. It's looking good. I got a rack of ribs. And potatoes. That's a nice looking steak. You got steak and shrimp. Oh, that's pretty good. Time to dig in.
I don't know.
All right, and here's a place where it's always Christmas, even in October. The Disney Christmas store, Disney Springs, which is like right next to the Rainforest Cafe. So, all kinds of Christmas ornaments you can buy. And these are like, what? $26.99. It had a Halloween part to it too. From what I remember. So, there's little ones here. Like Pocahontas, Pinocchio, Pluto. It's like it's in alphabetical order. Mickey, Minnie, Brave, more Pocahontas. They still got Halloween in the back. They're playing Christmas music. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. It's like a metal. Actually, I want for that $20. Snow globe? Without snow. Oh, look at the fireplace. That's cool. That's just kind of regular stuff. They had Halloween stuff back there before. I figured now October they slam dunk they'd have Halloween. They don't. Yeah, just regular. Wait a minute. 2021 stuff. Yeah. Okay. There's more characters over here. Don't know who this is. They don't really tell you. Like the other ones, I'm just figuring out. I don't know if she's in front of a book. That's Ariel, as a human, as a complete human. Yes, that's Milan, Moana, Jasmine. Malseer's ornaments, that's cool. Yeah, a lot of stuff going on. I like that fireplace. Oh, Cinderella's slippers. Huh. That's like 25. Oh, they were quartz crystals for a second. And here's like a... Oh, baby's first Christmas. Okay. I think I'm in pink and blue. So just a quick... yeah, they got Mickey and Minnie stockings back there. So this is a quick 5-cent tour of the Christmas store inside Disney Springs. It's open all year round. Christmas all the time. Oh, you know what? They got stuff over here. So, more stockings. Okay, more than Mickey and Minnie. They got Dumbo and like Wazowski and Stitch and Winnie the Pooh and Dalmatians. Oh, here's some Halloween stuff. Like Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, a little bit of a mix of both. Jack Skellington. And I think of the castle and ups. This is Mr. Yes, we got Mrs. over here. No. More ornaments. I don't know what. Just about it. You get like little mini packs that are like cheaper than the big ones. Yeah, this is like $29.99. I guess it's a little bit more than what you're paying for like some of the big ones if you really want to get Disney Cruise Line. Huh. Uh-oh. The nose of the boat hit that thing. I guess this is another cruise ship thing? Yeah, because they got the captain and outfit on. We've seen these already. What do they got going on here? Characters. Oh, Haunted Mansion characters. Alright. A little more hint of Halloween here. That's cool. I wish I went for these guys. You know, these aren't really like ornaments. They're characters. $39.99. Okay. There you go. Frames. And that's about the extent of the Christmas store. So there's the Lego Mickey. They got Elsa and Anna over there. Olaf, it looks like. Anybody else? No, just those guys. And then the Star Wars stuff. There's Elsa. And then there's the Stormtroopers, the red Stormtrooper. I thought they had Rey in there. Oh, she's over there. Kylo Ren. Someone's trying to get a shot.
Chewie.
Chewy's right there.
Hey, there we
Ray's
go.
back there. There she is. That's all the characters they got out front. And there's the dragon over here in the water. So this is also all Legos. That's crazy. So the whole thing, all the arches there, and it's just a Loch Ness monster. And right across from the Rainforest Cafe in the background, which we haven't seen erupt. So I wasn't able to get the dragon at Universal, and so far no Rainforest Cafe here. Yeah, just another stop to show you. All right, back at Planet Hollywood, we are in the Orange Garage. So I am signing off for this video, and I will see you on the next video. This concludes Disney Springs. We didn't do the balloon ride, but I've done it before. It's in another of my videos. It's in the, you see a picture of the thumbnail, you see the balloon ride. It was done at night. One of these days I'll get a daytime video, and I will eventually at some point.